Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 63 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. As always, quick review. 彩虹 rainbow. 唱歌 sing. 跳舞 dance. 约会 dating. 插队 jump a queue. 薪水 salary. 加班 work overtime. 便宜 cheap. 昂贵 expensive. 参加 join. 草稿 draft. 星星 star. 价格 price. 雨伞 umbrella. 请假 ask for leave. 护照 passport. 签名 signature. 预定 reserve. Follow me to learn. 恭喜 congratulation. 结婚 get married. And 升职 promotion in Chinese character now. 恭喜恭喜 congratulation. 恭喜恭喜龙恭喜是口恭喜congratulation. Next one. 结婚结婚 means get married. She knew that they would never get married. 她知道他们绝对不会结婚的。结婚结婚女字旁日 get married 结婚Next one for today. 升职means promotion. Get promoted. 升职升 2, 3, 4. 直耳之升职 promotion 恭喜恭喜恭喜 congratulation 结婚结婚结婚 get married 升职升职升职 promotion. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.